Hey guys, you got the Q-Cat again. We got a work order today for, what the hell is this thing? It's a 17 Challenger, 17 or 18, something to that effect. And the customer came in because the magical brake pedal was off. I don't know how the fuck they got it off, but they got it off. Alright? Now, with the Chargers, they come with the kit. You can get this pedal, and apparently the gas pedal just slips right over. Okay? Apparently the brake pedal is a bitch. Okay? Now, I know I'm probably going to get thumbs down on this, but most people don't show how to put these on. Okay? I sprayed it down with the soapy water. Yeah. Didn't do shit. Okay? When you look at the back of that, alright, it's got that little lip, and then it's got the two cutouts at the top of the pedal, right? What I did to get this in was I started on the left side, okay? And then you can pull down around the back side until you get it onto the pedal, okay? Now, what I mean onto the pedal is you can do left side, work your way in the bottom, work your way over to the right, okay? Once you get that, you're gonna notice that the top part where those little cutouts are the last parts to go on. That's where your flathead screwdriver comes into play. All right, and then what you can do is when you start on the left and you work down, slipping it over this way to the right towards the gas pedal, you get the back side on. Okay, so you're gonna get the left side inside the cutout for the most part. Work your way down over to the right towards the gas pedal. Make sure you get the back side completely on the bottom side, because the cutout's only on the top. Okay, once you get that, you're gonna kind of feel it kind of slip in. Then you take your screwdriver and you can pry right inside of this hole right here. You can see the cutout. Okay, that's the cutout. You can put your screwdriver in there and you can pry it up, and with your fingers and combination of cursing and all that other fun stuff. See, I think it's actually still off. Oh, see how it's on there? Okay, I'm trying to view the camera also. Yeah, see how that's completely on back there? Alright. You can, once you get it on, you can then start to pry at this corner right here with the cutout. See the cutout? Then once you stick your screwdriver into that cutout, you can pull it up. It's a bitch, but it doesn't take an hour and a half like some people claim it does. That's absolute insanity. That took me about 5 minutes to get that on. All right, so I don't know if this is going to help somebody. Hopefully it does. Take your pedal, well, your cover, all right, cut out in first, work your way down, going towards the right, slip it up on top through the cutouts, and then once you get it on, pry up at the top. It should fit right in. It should not take an hour and a half. That's absolute insanity. I hope this helps somebody out. Yeah, I'll probably get a thumbs out for not showing the install, but yeah, after hearing it can take an hour and a half and it took me over about 5 minutes, I'm not going to risk it. So best of luck, guys.